kill the one on the left. Just kill the one on the left. Yes. Kill him. Would somebody please kill that turkey? Scott, kill him. Scott, shoot. What do y'all think about that?
Man, that dude, he ran in fast this morning.
Could y'all not get him? Could you not get on him? Or could y'all hear me saying shoot?
What? No, I heard you the last time.
God, it felt like 20 minutes. I was like, shoot.
Shoot the turkey. For the love of God, shoot the...
First Kansas turkey.
Yeah, boy.
Congratulations, Scott. That's awesome. Hey, good bird. I'm gonna set it back here. That is how it's done. That turkey was struck right 3 steps beside me. I'm like, don't breathe. Get out of here. Come on, get out. Hiya! What we got here? What we got here? Yes, sir.
Joey says,
good bird, Joey.
I'm gonna tell you, this Jake took a beating this morning.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, he's gonna have a workers' comp claim for sure.